Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to drape a sari as a gown in 4 different ways. So the first one is sari as a high slit gown. Then the second drape that I am going to show you is how to drape a sari as a high collared gown. The third one is how to drape a sari as a one shoulder gown. And the last one is how to drape a sari as a waterfall draped gown. So let's begin. The first one is how to drape a sari as a high slit gown. Take the sari, fold it into half and take the center portion. Now hold it vertically and start gathering the fabric at the center. Now tie a thread around the center portion of the sari as shown so that it's tight, and tie a double knot there to secure. Now you have divided the sari into equal parts. Put this part behind your neck. Start arranging the pleats of the fabric in the front. Make very tiny pleats so that it looks as a pleated fabric. Do it on both the sides, left and right. The more tiny pleats you make, the more beautiful look it will give to the gown. Once done, take a string and just tie a knot in the front like this. Your whole gown will be secured on this thread, so this should be tight enough. Take the fabric from the right and tuck it to your left like this inside the thread. Now reverse the fabric and start making small pleats at your waist. Keep on tucking those pleats in the thread that you have tied around your waist. So your one side is completely tucked in. Now take the other end of the fabric from your right and just start tucking from left to right from behind. Make small pleats again to cover your complete back till the fabric ends. Once you make the pleats, cover it with the first layer of the pleats. Now secure the opening with a safety pin on the right. 3 safety pins are enough. You can leave a small cut on the right like this. Now just add a belt to your gown. Now there is a slit on your left side over your left leg. Just put a safety pin depending on the length of the slit you want. Just roll the fabric behind your neck inwards to get a nice curvy and fitted look around your bust. Arrange the pleats and your look is ready. This is high slit gown that you can wear for parties. After this, let's see how to drape a sari as a collared gown. For this, make the pleats of the pallu like this. Leave more than a palm distance or a 2 palm distance and add a safety pin to the pleats. This is going to go around your neck, so its length should be quite a bit more. Open the pleats from the top and just gather the fabric horizontally like this. Now this portion will go around your neck like this. Add a safety pin behind. Now spread the fabric in the front and take both the ends behind and pin it up. Now take a string and tie a string at the waist. This should also be tight enough because your entire pleats are going to be on this. Now take the right side fabric and tuck it on your left like this on that string in the front. Now again reverse and start pleating the fabric in the string. Make small pleats and keep on tucking inside the waist. It should give a nice pleated look. The smaller the pleats, the beautiful gown look it will create. The sari pleat should cover one complete round around your waist till you reach to your left. Now open up the collar in the neck and tie it again to ensure it is tight enough and for a neater look. Now add a belt to complete your look. Hope you like this collared gown look. It gives beautiful pleats in the front and also very easy to carry. Now the next one is one shoulder gown. Take the top corner of the pallu end and just turn around the fabric clockwise, bring it at the top and pin it wherever it's tight. Now add a string at the waist. Take the fabric from the left side and start tucking it, forming beautiful pleats in the front at your waist. Take smaller pleats to create a nice pleated gown look. It will give a nice flare to your gown. It has enough fabric to create one complete circle of the pleats. As you did it in the front, the same way you have to do it at the back. You have to be little patient while doing the back pleats. Just slide the fabric and just keep on tucking in. Fold it inwards at the end and tuck it. Add a pin to the opening at your bust. This pin could have been added earlier as well. Now add a belt to complete your look. And you're good to go. Your one shoulder gown drape is ready. Now the fourth gown that we are doing is waterfall drape gown. For this, divide the saree into 2 equal parts and bring it from behind in the front like this and tie a knot in the front. Tie a double knot to secure. Now hold the two ends of the saree and tie a double knot behind your neck like this. Now let's do the lower pleats first. Let's take the left side fabric first and bring it to your right, again to your left, and make 2 such pleats. Now do the same thing with the right one. The fabric from the right goes to the left to make 2 such pleats. Now take the outer end of the fabric and pin it behind. You will see a jacket is formed in the front that gives a waterfall look. Now add a belt to complete the look and secure the waterfall pleats. Open the knot at the top and roll it around inwards from both the sides. Secure it like this for time being. Do it in the same manner on the other side as well. If you roll both the ends, it gives a nice fitted look in the front and nice curvy look. Now tie the knot again and your look is ready. Hope you like all the gown looks. Do like, comment and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.